get the ball rolling with some hands-on painting. Join us today as we use balls of all shapes, sizes, and textures to create a unique masterpiece. This art activity is not only fun, but it also helps your child with their coordination skills through manipulating their trays and their balls to create different patterns or shapes on the paper. Our activity is going to help develop their exploration and experimentation skills as they use different sizes and textures to see what kinds of different patterns they can create. While you're doing this activity with your child, talk about what new colors you created during the process. Using art engages your child's senses in open-ended play and helps develop their cognitive, social, and emotional skills. You can engage with your child by asking different questions and encouraging them to make their own observations. As you work together, hold the box or your lid at different angles. Does it change the way the ball moves? Can you roll the ball faster or slower? Depending on how you hold your tray, the balls will change direction and speed. Talk with your child about the cause and effect behind moving their tray and how the ball reacts. Do some types of balls move faster than others? Is there a way you can make your balls move faster or slower? Talk about the different weights and textures of the balls and how that affects the way they move across the paper.